Welcome back. Hello, hello. Here we go. We're going to start right away. Every time I put down the pen, you, the teacher, or if you're by yourself at home in the virtual academy, you pause the video and leave some time for writing or speaking or reading. Okay. So here I'm going to have you copy this. Combine two sentences, make them one sentence. So we're going to take two sentences and we're going to make them one sentence. Please copy this and also copy the word and. I made a little cloud around it. You can make a little design around it if you want. And I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, we're back. We're back. So combine two sentences, make them one sentence. And oftentimes we do that. Sorry, I didn't like my K there. Oftentimes we do that by using words like and, but, or. So today we're going to focus on the word and. So I want you to write number one on your paper, and we're going to go ahead and start here. Okay, here are my two sentences. The girl is funny. The girl is tall. I'm going to read those again. The girl is funny. The girl is tall. You could see that there are two sentences because I have two end marks, periods, and I have two capitals. How can I make these two sentences one sentence? If you have an idea, raise your hand. Excellent. Next time I won't put my pen on top of the writing. So I think I heard someone say the girl is funny and tall. The girl. So for here, number one, I'm going to write the girl. You could just watch me do this. The girl is funny and tall. The girl is funny and tall. I took these two sentences, one, two, and I combined them by using the word and. The girl is funny and tall. Why don't you go ahead and copy this new sentence? Excellent. And I have some people working outside, so I hope it doesn't bug you too much. So now go ahead and write number two. Number two, there's going to be a total of five sentences. And you're going to see if you could do this by yourself, okay? The friends play, the friends eat. The friends play, the friends eat. How would I combine these two sentences to make them one sentence? Raise your hand and someone will call on you. Excellent. Okay, so the correct way would be the friends play and eat. Or you could even write the friends play and the friends eat. But when we combine two sentences into one, we want to use as few words as possible. We want to make the sentence easier and smaller, more concise. So go ahead and write that sentence here. The friends play and eat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write it here. If you didn't finish, you could kind of do that with me. The friends play and eat. And I'm going to underline the word and because that's the focus, right? We're combining sentences by using the word and. We're taking two sentences and making them one sentence by using the word and. Excellent, excellent. Number three, once again, there's going to be a total of five. There's going to be a total of five. Go ahead and read this out loud. Unmute yourself and read this out loud. Excellent, excellent. Now read it with me out loud. I like to sing. I like to dance. Perfect. How would I take these two sentences and make them one? Go ahead and raise your hand. Good job, good job. Now go ahead and write it correctly here where it says number three. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and write it. And if you wrote it correctly, you could give yourself a little star, or you could give yourself a little heart, or you could put a little C for correct, any way you want to do it. So I like to sing and dance. And I'm going to put a period at the end, start always with the capital, and the word I is always capitalized. And I'm going to underline and because the word and combines or connects. I'm going to write connects because connects means pretty much the same thing as combined. It puts two and it makes it one. Okay. So I like to sing and dance. Excellent. Number 4. And I'm going to go ahead and put number 5 right here. Okay. So we have 5 all together. Okay. Go ahead and move this. Read this out loud. Unmute yourself if you are virtual or if you're in a classroom. Read it out loud following my finger. Go. Excellent. Now read it out loud with me. The boy did the math homework. The girl did the math homework. Now, so we're going to use the word and, but it's not going to be in the second half of the sentence. It's going to be in the first half of the sentence. So go ahead, raise your hand virtually or in person to tell us how to phrase this or connect it. How do we connect this and make it one sentence? Excellent. So you should have said, we could write this together. The boy and the girl, or the boy and girl did the math homework. Did the math homework. The boy and girl did the math homework. I'm going to give you a second to write it. Excellent. Last one. Oh, I like this one. The party had cake. Here's a little cake. Do you like my drawing? I hope you do. Here's a cake. We'll make it your birthday cake. Woohoo, it's a birthday. This kid is 1, 2, 3, 4. The party had balloons. I love it. The party had balloons. So the party had cake. The party had balloons. Raise your hand and let me know how I would combine these two sentences to make them one sentence. Excellent. Now go ahead and write it here in number 5. Write your new sentence. Excellent. You should have written the party had cake and balloons. The party had cake and balloons. And I'm going to underline the word and. If you did that right, give yourself a little star. Excellent, excellent. Now go ahead. I'm going to pause in case you need to catch up with something. Now we're going to read all 5 of these sentences together. We're going to follow the pen and read them one right after the other. Please unmute yourself. And if you are in-person school, go ahead and read out loud together. Go. The girl is funny and tall. The friends play and eat. I like to sing and dance. The boy and girl did the math homework. The party had cake and balloons. Excellent. Let's read it again, but this time only you, and go. Excellent. We are all done. See you next time. See you next